In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse headings in Notion. If your pages are feeling a bit cluttered, turning your headings into collapsible toggles is a quick way to keep things organized, while still keeping details just a click away. We'll use the built-in Turn Into option so you can keep your formatting clean and your structure intact. Start on any Notion page with a heading you'd like to make collapsible. Move your mouse over that heading and pause for a second. As you hover, a small grab handle appears to the left of the heading. If you don't see it right away, slide your cursor slightly to the left edge of the block until the handle pops up. That handle is your gateway to formatting options for that single block. Click the handle to open the block menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Turn Into. This tells Notion you want to convert the current block into a different block type without rewriting anything. Go ahead and select Turn Into. Next, choose the toggle style that matches the level of your heading. Toggle heading 1, toggle heading 2, or toggle heading 3. These mirror Notion's normal heading sizes and hierarchy. Toggle heading 1 is the largest and best for top-level sections. Toggle heading 2 is great for subsections. And toggle heading 3 works well for finer details. Pick the level that fits your page structure, and Notion will instantly convert that heading into a collapsible toggle. You'll know it worked when you see a small arrow next to the heading text. Click that arrow to collapse or expand the section. When it's collapsed, your page stays tidy and scannable. When it's expanded, you can see all the content associated with that section. This is especially handy for long notes, project briefs, meeting minutes, or documentation where you want to keep context close without overwhelming the page. A quick tip on structure: stay consistent with your levels. Use toggle heading 1 for your main sections, then layer toggle heading 2 and 3 beneath them to build a clean, logical outline. This makes it easy to navigate and share with teammates, because the visual hierarchy mirrors how you think about the content. That's it. Hover, click the handle, choose Turn Into, then pick your toggle heading level. With just those steps, you can transform any heading into a crisp, collapsible section that keeps your workspace calm and focused. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.